Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a little bit of a different type of video, but it's just, I feel like I gotta put y'all up on game. So I went ahead and ordered a Telfar, I hope I'm saying that right, bag, and I'm gonna do the unboxing, give my honest review. This is my first time ordering this bag and I honestly kind of just heard of it, so it'll be a really raw review of it, and also kind of like tell you guys how I ordered it and put you up on a little bit of game if you're into it. So let's hop right into it. So here are the details. I ordered the medium printed shopping flag bag. I was actually surprised because on this particular drop date they were doing the orange bag and they were sold out by the time I got to it, but then I seen this one bag that there was and they didn't even say they were dropping it. So I got the medium. All of them were available. It was $202 and after tax shipping was free, so after tax it came to $219.98 and I ordered this on June 1st. So it just got delivered today and today is June 4th, so that's actually a really quick turnaround date if you ask me. This is the package that it came in. I was literally pretty sketchy about, I don't know how it's gonna really be. I'm not a professional unboxer, but I'm guessing it's like flattened. Okay. So it comes in this big ass bag, which is nice. And it comes with a dust bag, which is also really dope. It's really giving luxury bag at a budget price. I'm in disbelief at how cheap these bags are. Here's the big reveal. Just kidding. They got me. So this is the bag. It is pretty true to the color I expected it to be. It's like a real forest green. Like, I am obsessed with this color. I don't really fuck with the American flag like that. And I totally love the mission behind them as well. I'm gonna post a little bit of information, but. So I really give the color a 10 out of 10. It comes with like an extra strap. Honestly, it pretty much has everything you would need or want in a purse. The inside has a zipper, you know, like a little wallet zipper, but otherwise it's just open. So it gives you the option to kind of wear it as a crossbody bag or like as a handbag. Again, this is the medium size, so you can like see in comparison to the size of my body. It's pretty medium. Like my laptop would definitely, this is a MacBook Pro, the smaller one. Overall, I'm gonna give this bag low-key, high-key a 10 out of 10. I don't even want to say 10 out of 10, but I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10 just based on like the quality, the price, the brand and their mission. And did I mention I was obsessed with this color and the fact that it fits my MacBook? This shit is affordable. So I'm gonna just take a couple minutes quickly to talk about how I got the bag and put you up on a little bit of game in general. The bag drops, I could be wrong. This one dropped on a Tuesday. So how I find out about when the bags are dropping is I follow them on Instagram and then I turn on their post notifications, because basically every time they post, they're telling you that they're gonna drop a bag. And I also like and subscribe to their email lists. Then they usually drop at 9 a.m. from my experience. So I just, usually at 9 a.m. I don't really have any problem getting the bag. Usually they sell out within like a half an hour-ish. So it's not like you have to be like staring at the computer, but also like you wanna be able to get your best selection. Now, let me put you guys up on a little bit of game. These bags, since they're somewhat exclusive and like you can't just go and buy it in the store, like if you don't get it within that half an hour window, it's tight. I'm just gonna say they have a pretty good profit margin if you were to just, you know, resell them. You know, maybe you even use them a few times. Like websites like The Real Real and Poshmark, these are going crazy. So in case you wanna like just do a little quick hustle, maybe, you know, use them a few times or not use them, it's up to you. But I just love this bag, I love it. And honestly, I'm not even like a big purse person. I have a small purse collection, let's just say that. Like I have like a small MCM bag, and then like the bigger one that goes inside of like the tote bag and a backpack, a Gucci purse, and then the rest are just like Steve Madden and Aldo and such like that. But I'm just not a big purse person really. Like I don't have a crazy collection. So this has been fun though. I'm kind of getting a little bit into it, and now I want to collect every color. So if y'all see me with the whole collection, mind your business. What do you guys rate this bag out of 10? What do you rate this bag? Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, so that you don't miss out, you know? All right, you guys have an amazing day, and thanks again for watching.
I love you.